Buy to let in London is all about investing in a development where tenants will want to live. Oval Village is exactly that. For starters, it's in a convenient central location, less than 10 minutes walk from 3 underground stations, close to 2 best-in-class London universities with 3 public parks and hundreds of shops and restaurants just seconds away. The development has incredible amenities, the likes of which you'd expect in an upmarket hotel, as well as extensive landscaped gardens that provide an oasis of calm away from the hustle and bustle of the city. The 1, 2 and 3 bed apartments are stylish and spacious, with jaw-dropping views of the London skyline and top-quality fixtures, fittings and finishes. This is one of London's top regeneration areas, where huge investment will support strong capital growth over the next 5 years. With prices from around $750,000, you can invest with as little as 10% on exchange, plus stage payments of between 10% and 20% during construction. On completion, you'll have a top-quality apartment delivered by one of the UK's leading developers in a high-growth area of central London. If that sounds like it might be the right investment for you, register now and we'll send you an investment pack.